Well, my buddy called me up on the telephone. He said, come on over tonight. I just bottled up a batch about a month ago. It ought to be just about right. While we sit around and drinking and lying to one another till I guess about 1 or 2. Man, you don't know what a hangover is till you get one from drinking homebrew.
Man, you don't know what a hangover is till you get one from drinking homebrew.
We've been trying to make a decent batch of that brew for such a long time now, but each one seems a little worse than the last. You'd think we'd finally learn how. We got the recipe from a logger. Let me tell the story to you. Ever since that day we've been trying to make one decent batch of homebrew.
Man, you don't know what a hangover is till you get one from drinking homebrew.
Well, my buddy and me, we was just 19 and the back of our ears still damp when we moved up 48 miles from town and went to work in this logging camp.